Hello, friends. It's so good to see all of you here today. The holidays are here, and that means we have so many great gift ideas for you. Today, we're going to be unboxing two glossy boxes. One is the November Glossybox from the subscription. The other is a very special limited edition men's grooming box. Yes, you heard that right. We have discount information for you in the description of this video. We have discounts on the subscription, and we also have $5 off any of the limited edition boxes using the info we'll put down below in the description. So everything you need is there. Are you ready to see what's inside the limited edition men's grooming box? I'm thrilled about this. One of the reasons that we like these so much is that when we travel, we can take the items with us for my husband. So he probably is more likely to use them when we're on a cruise or something like that. This is what the box looks like. Really, you guys, look at the inside of this. We've just got to think of a way to reuse this beautiful box. If you can think of a way to reuse this, why don't you type it in the comments below for this video? I have a few ideas. I think that it'd be really cool to put tea in, like tea bags or something like that. My husband could also keep cords in it, like electronic cables and things like that. It's a very nice, masculine, and extremely elegant looking box. Let's see what's inside. Even the ribbon is reusable. You know, I love reusing all of my boxes. So this could go on a little holiday gift. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. Okay, let's see here. Little brochure. Little description of all the products. I'll prop that up over here in case I need to reference something. And one more look at the packaging. It comes in black tissue with a pretty sticker on the side. By the way, I do want to let you know this was gifted to me from Glossybox. They sent me a series of boxes to show to you throughout the holiday season, which we truly appreciate. Okay, what's the first item? Well, this is cool. I've never even heard of this before. This is the For All Skin Refresh. Okay, let's try that again. Boy. This is the For All Skin Refresh Post-Shave Calming Tonic. 2 ounces seems like quite a bit for this calming tonic. Look at that. It's got a little roll on. Mr. Cruise Tips TV, can you see yourself rolling this all over your face after a shave? He's like, yeah. My cameraman, he said, yeah, I think I'll give that a try. A calming tonic. Ooh, that is very cool. Let's read a little bit about that one. Shaving can often take a heavy toll on the skin, especially if done on a regular basis. Alleviate any post-shaving irritation with this tonic that helps soothe razor burn and prevents ingrown hairs and major razor bumps. Wow. MSRP on this product is $44. That is a nice value. This is really, really cool. Excited to try something new. All right, this looks like it might be a little bonus item. This is Mighty Patch. This is a blemish patch. Oh, how cool. Look at that. It looks like there's 6 patches in there. Very cool. I'm reading the instructions on this. Identify the blemish. Works best on whiteheads. Clean the blemish and apply Mighty Patch. Remove after it turns white. Minimum of 6 hours. This will be good for my 12 going on 13-year-old son. It's getting into that phase a little bit, guys. It's happening. Ooh, another product from For All. This is the Hair Love Red Clover Regeneration Elixir. Are you kidding me? Can you tell I haven't looked at the items in this? I'm so excited. This powerful formula supports scalp health to provide a better environment for hair growth. What guy doesn't want to keep their hair nice and full and growing? Gives you thicker and fuller looking hair. It assists in reducing the effects of damage to follicles while restoring a healthy appearance. MSRP $34. Okay, this is starting to become a really incredible value in this box. My husband is going to love this. He's over there going like this behind the camera. He's like, yeah, oh, this is good. Try to get your guy to use an eye cream. But you see this little masculine verso, teeny tiny one? I bet I can get him to use his ring fingers to gently dot this around his under eyes. Honey, we're gonna try it. Ooh, what is this? This looks like it might be a fragrance. This is another little bonus item in here. This is the Spice Bomb Infrared Eau de Toilette. Oh, inspired by the intensity of a red habanero chili pepper with a sharp piercing burn. Around this fiery pepper, red berry oil and tobacco create a halo of blazing warmth and magnetism. I mean, I gotta open that and smell it. Is my husband gonna smell like a habanero pepper? I don't know. Let's try. Ooh. Do not be afraid. It's not weird. It's just perfectly masculine. I mean, I do get a little hint of pepper in it, but it is really sexy, you guys. You're gonna love this one. It is good. It's called Spice Bomb Infrared by Victor Rolf. Super nice. I'm getting a little more spicy than, like spicy, like holiday spicy than like habanero on my husband's spicy. You know what I'm trying to say here? Okay, this is great though. I am blown away by everything in this. Ooh, a couple of sheet masks. There's more than one. Ooh, the Wolf Project gave us 2 sheet masks. We have a mud mask, detox sheet mask, and a hydrating face sheet mask. Honey, you're spoiled. This is awesome, you guys. Brothers, dads, boyfriends, husbands, this is amazing. You could give the whole box as a gift, the grooming kit, or you could separate it all out and stick it in the stocking separately. I mean, that's maybe what you should do, is kind of divide everything up. What is this? Coming in this really fancy container. Ooh, I love the surprise today. This, I am just blown away by everything that is in here right now. I feel like, okay, what do we have here? All right, this must be Beard, Brow, and Mustache Roll-On Growth Solution, another growth encourager. Designed to work with all skin types, this cannabidiol infused formulation is a natural way to support fuller looking facial hair and brows. Okay, can you see my husband just going like this on his brows right now? Rolling it on his brows. Infused with CBD, Anagain, and plant stem formulas, the solution will stimulate hair growth in no time. I don't know if my husband wants to grow his eyebrows. I'm thinking he probably doesn't. He probably wants to tame them, but maybe he wants to like he's like going like this in the background behind the camera. He's like, he's gonna paint on a little mustache. He knows I hate mustaches, so I don't know. I think that's really, really funny. Okay, amazing stuff. Amazing. I am just beyond excited for everything that came in this box. I'm looking through carefully to make sure that I did not miss anything, because that was really something. I mean, awesome. Every single item in here is something my husband will use. I don't know if he wants to grow in his brows, but really, truly very unique and very high quality luxe feeling items. Couldn't recommend highly enough. Now we're going to unbox the November Glossybox. So our discount code, what it does is it gives you the first subscription box for $16. So I hope that helps you a little bit if you haven't tried Glossybox before and you want to give it a go. So here is the Beauty Desires November box. Oh, this looks good. And again, you have your little glossy brochure and a description of all the products in it. As always, I'm going to set that aside. And also another gorgeous box that we can think of many ways to reuse. Look at the inside of this. It's just so delicate and beautiful. I love it. And another reusable ribbon. Okay. Got to see what is in this. Wow. Look at this full size of Vitabrid Daily C Cleansing Balm. I love cleansing balms this time of year. They really help me to get the makeup off. It really helps you like dissolve the makeup. So let's go ahead and open this up and check out the texture of it. It's kind of taped down, so that's why I had a little struggle. This is really nice. Again, this is the Daily C Cleansing Balm. It comes with a little scoop and of course a little lid and a little, there it is. You can just see, you want to just take this and scoop out a bunch of that balm and put it all over the skin, kind of wipe it off, get all of the makeup off, and it really does not dry out your skin. Wonderful stuff. Cannot wait to use that. That is a nice starter. What do we have here? From Commodity Paper, it says Scan Me. I wonder what this is. I'm not even sure what it is. Commodity Paper. Huh. I think it might be a scent. Yeah, I think it is. Let's see here. Lightweight and effortless, paper opens with ISO E Super, a unique and woody molecular note. Then, as minutes pass and the scent comes to life, you'll begin to notice an ethereal skin musk followed by a softly sweet trail of amber. I gotta give props to the person who writes these descriptions. That is like poetically beautiful. I wish I could think of ways to write that beautifully, to describe things that beautifully. Now, I don't want to spray this in the same area that I have my men's cologne that I did from the grooming box, but oh, that's really nice. Very soft and subtle. So I'll let that kind of do its thing, since they said you need to let it kind of take a moment to change and deepen. Ooh, next we have a cute little package here. Look at this. Oui, chérie. What is this? The Oui Chérie Lip Oil. Say bonjour to your new lip obsession. This non-sticky, moisture-rich lips treat. Okay. Moisture-rich lip treatment. Oh. Has a pH color-changing formula that works with your unique pH level to give you a custom shade suited to your skin tone. Look at the packaging too. Stocking stuffers, I'm telling you. So cute. All of this wonderful stuff. Let's see what it looks like. And now if I put it on my lips right now, it's not going to give you an accurate representation because I have lipstick on. So I'll have to try it later and kind of give you a general idea. But it looks like I'm lightly blue tinted when it first comes out. Oh, this is clever. Very, very clever. Love it. Diving back in. Here we go. Oh, this is pretty packaging. From Figs and Rouge. This is a satin soft blurring primer and finishing fix. I love a good primer and I love a good travel size primer. This looks wonderful. MSRP on this is $52, designed to fix foundation and finish your complexion for a more complete matte perfection. Pore minimizing, silicone free, looks great. All right, let's give it a look. I'm gonna put just a tiny bit of that on the back of my hand. So it comes out, it's like a pink gel. I know it's really hard to see that, but it does come out like a pink gel and it applies like a gel as well. So different, kind of like a mattifying primer. So not like a creamy primer necessarily. Excited about that. Oh, I think we have a little eyeshadow palette in here. This is from Cella. This is a travel size Manifest bronze eyeshadow palette with 4 very pretty colors. From what I can see, 3 glitters and 1 solid. This is, let's see here, Charisma, Radiant Purpose, and Intention transform you into a glam, confident version of yourself. Buildable and highly pigmented, this palette ensures a look that will amplify your inner and outer glow. Very pretty. Let me open it up. I'm not going to swatch these right now because I think that you can really truly see the colors just fine from inside the palette. Very pretty. These are gorgeous. I would totally use all of these neutrals. Really nice for holidays. And it looks like they'll be beautiful for lots of different skin colors, skin tones, skin types. Love it. Both of these are lovely. I have been extremely happy with the variety in them and just honestly beyond impressed with the men's grooming kit. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you already are Glossy and you get Glossybox subscription, let me know below what one of your favorite items has been. And be sure to check out some of the seasonal boxes that they have on the website at the moment because they do have some limited edition boxes like the Black Friday limited edition, Black Friday skincare, holiday limited edition. Hopefully we'll be showing you some of those soon, but our discount code SHERI16, I believe it is, it's all in the description of this, will help you to get that $5 off any of the limited edition boxes. Make sure you're following me over on Instagram as well. We just went on a little trip recently and I'd love to share with you what we were up to. Until then, go do something beautiful.